Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unit from RPGSHOW, and this unit is actually a part of my collection with them. So this unit is Brianna 003. I have everything about this unit, including discount codes and everything down below in the description box. But this unit does come with the fake scalp attached. It is optional, you do not have to get it. And like always, I am just starting off with my hair in 2 braids because this is how I get my hair the flattest and it's the quickest, especially if you do not keep your wigs on long like me, so you don't want to constantly keep getting your hair braided. So I'm going to jump right into this video and show you guys a quick way to melt your lace, like literally in minutes. So I'm starting off by cutting the lace, going down the middle, of course, with the regular scissors at first, just so I can split it up and make it a little bit easier to cut. And then I'm literally just taking this eyebrow razor and I'm following the shape of the hairline. I'm cutting a little bit of the hairs on accident, but that's because they're just all over the place right now, but that's okay. You just want to follow the shape of the hairline and get as close to the hairline as possible, and then cut the ear tabs with the scissors. And then I'm just going to do this on both sides, and then we'll begin laying. So if you're going to cut the lace while it's on your head with scissors or with the eyebrow razor, you do want to be careful, and you do want to make sure that you're lifting it up high enough so that you're not making contact with your skin, because I have cut my forehead so many times, you guys. So now that the lace is all cut, I'm just taking a second to admire RPGSHOW's lace, you guys. Like, it's literally melted into my skin already, and I haven't even melted it yet, but I'm about to. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my clear Got2b glue. This is my absolute favorite that I've been using for the longest to melt my wigs. And I'm taking the end of this rat tail comb. So what you wanna do is you wanna place your unit exactly where you want to lay it, and then you're going to take your rat tail comb and just put a little bit of the gel on it and slide it directly under the lace. Once you slide it under the lace, you're going to take the lace, not the lace, you want to take the end of the rat tail comb and just push it into place. And you want to do this throughout your whole hairline in the front. And this literally, like, you don't have to wait for the gel to get tacky at all. You can just put it on directly like this and then go in with the blow dryer afterwards. I left this in real time so you guys can see how slow or how fast, however you want to take it. It takes for you to apply the unit like this. So I did leave this in regular motion, if that makes sense, so you guys can see in real time how long it takes. And I'm just taking my time, making sure to place the gel in the right place, smashing it in, and then using the comb to make sure the hairs are like all out of the way and not stuck into the gel, because that's how it gets messy, you know. And yeah, I'm just gonna do this to the entire front of my head, and then we'll be back to styling.
Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then you leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you. No ties.
So I have one side done, and this is what it looks like so far, and I like to say it looks pretty good to me. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing to the other side of my hairline. This side I have some baby hairs growing in right there that I kind of couldn't push back too far because of where I like to place my wigs. I like to get them as close to my hairline as possible. Usually you can't see it if this was a black unit, but because this unit is blonde, you can kind of see my black baby hairs peeking through. But yeah, I'm just doing the exact same thing to this side of the unit. I just sped it up a bit just so I could make the video a little shorter. But yeah, I'm doing the exact same thing, taking the rat tail comb with the gel on it, sliding it under the lace, and then pushing it into place, combing the hairs back, and then blow drying it dry.
Things good and make me believe in us. I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to give into us. All I need is your time.
And then to add a little extra hold, because we did use very little gel to melt it the first go round, I'm going to take a little bit of this freeze spray and just spray it around the hairline and kind of comb it and smash it into place, and then take the blow dryer one last time and make sure everything is nice and set. And then I'm going to tie my hair down with my scarf for about 10 minutes.
No need
So after about 10 minutes, I can go ahead and take the scarf off now, and this is what the hairline looks like, and it looks really good, you guys. So now to clean up the edges a little bit, I'm just going to go ahead and take this Q-tip. It only has water on it. I'm just going to go ahead and follow the hairline to get rid of some of the shiny gel that may have seeped through. And then I'm going to begin to style the unit. I decided to go with the side part, so I'm going to go ahead and give myself a nice kind of C-curve part. And then I'm going to take the Cream of Nature mousse, and I'm going to use this to set my part into place before I go in with my pressing comb and kind of smash everything down and get all the hairs going in one direction, so it's not kind of like just flowing all over the place.
And show me a good time. If I wanted more than this, I'd love you until I'm gone. But you only get a sip, so show me a good time. I don't care.
And now I'm just going to go ahead and take my Revlon wand. I believe this is the 1-inch barrel, and I'm going to do a few pin curls.
Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then you leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't care.
So once all of my curls are pinned, I'm just going to take a little bit of this Tresemme hairspray, or a lot of bit of this Tresemme hairspray, and spray it all over. And then I'm going to begin taking the clips out. And then once I have all of the clips out of my hair, I'm going to go ahead and just take my fingers and kind of rake through my curls just to fluff things out a bit.
For pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to give into us. All I need is short-term devotion. I don't wanna be so emotional, just wanna.
And then I wanted to add a little bit more body to the unit, so I decided to cut a few layers on both sides.
No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal, as long as.
For final touches, I'm just going to add a little bit of baby hair. I'm just going to part out a tiny section and cut these hairs, and I'm going to take that same Cream of Nature mousse and shape the baby hairs. And here is what the hairline looks like, you guys, nice and melted. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I post. Don't forget to check the description box for any links or necessary items you may need. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.
And show me a good time.